Let's start with getting into portrait photography, specifically the family sessions and engagement sessions. It's probably one of the easiest types of photography, if not the easiest types of photography to get into. You all have friends and family that want their portraits taken. You don't need to really have too much familiarity, although you should have familiarity with the job to go out and shoot these kinds of portraits. Like, for example, I wouldn't suggest you dive right into corporate event photography, which is something about 50% of my work is corporate, specifically corporate events. That's not something you really want to dive into, but portraits is something you can dive into at low risk. You can offer free sessions, you can build a portfolio by photographing your friends and your family. Now, the problem with this is that because it's oversaturated, it can feel like it's a little bit on the bottom of the totem. And I know I am casting my own judgment when I say that, because it doesn't have to be, but I say it for this reason. I feel that way because, unfortunately, with Instagram and other social media platforms and just really the internet, everyone is getting inspiration from each other, and what happens is all portrait photography starts to look the same. So I want to start by saying, again, if you create honest, meaningful work, your work will never look the same as anyone else's, because that is not a duplicatable moment. When you capture something real between two people, it can't be duplicated. But if you get like a hero shot, maybe a man dipping his fiance with a big kiss, and you have this glorious like clouds in the background at this surreal location with perfect lighting, that is duplicatable because you're not really capturing anything honest. And the same goes for when you're really posing people. That can be duplicated. So you have to ask yourself, is that really what you want to pursue? Portrait photography can be incredible and incredibly rewarding and expressive for you as an artist, or maybe expressive isn't the word, but in a way you are, because like you're expressing your appreciation for beautiful, natural filled, like candid moments.